Total wireless phones, primarily Android-based, benefit from three types of resets: soft resets, hard resets, and network settings resets. Soft resets clear temporary memory to fix minor issues like frozen screens. Perform this by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or using the restart option in the power menu. Hard resets restore the phone to its original state, erasing all data, ideal for severe problems like malware. Access this in Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Always back up your data first. Network Settings resets clear Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth configurations, fixing connectivity issues like dropped calls. Find this option in Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. These resets are essential troubleshooting tools for total wireless devices, addressing software glitches, performance issues, or connectivity problems. When performing a hard reset, back up your data to Verizon Cloud or Google Drive to prevent data loss. For forgotten credentials during a hard reset, use recovery mode by holding Volume Up, Power Home if available on your device. Post-reset, you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and SIM card details. If resets fail to resolve issues, contact Total Wireless Support at C611, as it may indicate hardware faults requiring replacement. Recent Android updates have enhanced data preservation options and mandated biometric verification for security. Also, be aware that AI-driven diagnostics within the Total Wireless app can now guide you through resets automatically.